Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the connection works reliably. Make sure your iPad and Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Apple ID. This authenticates AirPlay. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPad to allow discovery. Once done, check for and install the latest iOS and tvOS updates to avoid compatibility issues. This reduces pairing errors and ensures features like AirPlay 2 and HomeKit integration operate correctly. Now you will actively connect. Swipe to open Control Center on your iPad and tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon. This lists nearby Apple TVs. Tap the name of your Apple TV to initiate a connection. If a 4-digit code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPad to confirm. For apps like Photos or Netflix, you can also tap the in-app AirPlay icon to stream directly. Once connected, audio and video route to the Apple TV, and latency is minimized for smooth playback. Finish by adjusting display and permission settings so you get the best experience. On Apple TV, tweak video calibration or aspect ratio if the image looks cropped. Make sure AirPlay access is set to contacts only or everyone as needed in settings to control who can stream. If you can't connect, restart both devices and toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to clear temporary issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify both devices truly share the same Wi-Fi SSID and subnet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.